put sunscreen on to cure it.
It's not true?
No. You should put aloe. Aloe
We don't have
vera.
aloe.
Welcome back. We're continuing our exciting travel adventures, and today's episode is Nusa Lembonga and Nusa Penida. If you're not familiar, these are the neighboring islands of Bali. Get ready for an episode of beach, sun, and adventure.
I'm gonna let you enjoy every.
Oh, it's very humid today.
It's starting to get grainy from all the sugar.
我昨天没发现我身上。
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows.
We are in Nusa Lembonga. Day 1. Headed to the beach.
I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the way.
We gotta get to the other side of this. I know, but he's walking. Look, just follow him. Tom is still standing, so it's fine.
Can you help Jimmy?
Yep, yeah.
Oh my god.
It's so cold. Oh, you can see all the way to the bottom. I know. Oh my god. I got knocked over a few times. We had to swim around. It wasn't very pretty, but we did it. Now we get the whole private beach to ourselves. So, we're headed out on the boat.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim
Good morning, We're going to Nusa Penida. Good morning. FYI, if you come to Nusa Lambonga, know that you're going to pay a lot to get anywhere. Taxis are expensive. Well, compared to the average cost of anything here.
Oh wow, you can see all the way to the bottom. Look, you can see all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we tear this terribly. Like, how do we close this back up? Jimmy? So, I think we're here. Seems like it. Not really sure. I think we have to hike. It's quite something. Sure looks pretty though.
Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
So now apparently we are going to Broken Beach.
Loco paraíso.
The other side.
Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy
Just got here. Lots of places to eat.
come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
That's good to know. Tsunami evacuation procedures. Because we're gonna have time to look at our phones when the tsunami starts coming.
Yeah. My hair's a mess, girl.
What's Jimmy doing?
Training.
Hello, Tom. We walked by a hotel pool, saltwater slide. Asked them, can we use it? They said, buy 3 drinks, and an hour later.
Oh my god!
Woo! Here goes, we're going on a water slide.
Come up. You push yourself hard enough. Jensen, you got stuck? Jensen, you got stuck? Jensen, what is taking so long?